Okay, the broadcast has started. This is Kristen and Brett working on homework 5. Okay, so for you see that rake DB migrate?
Rake DB migrate, this one here?
Yeah, try running that. So then we go look at the schema. Okay, yeah, there's the schema. Okay, so it has a string called director now.
Okay, that looks right.
And then you see the second line on GitHub. It says, remember to add director to the list of movie attributes in moviescontroller.rb. So let's go to moviescontroller.rb and see it on its own, or if we have to add it. That should be under app.
Yeah. Nope. App, controllers,
Yeah.
RB. And where do I add it? In here?
Yeah, so it says that we have to add that to the list of attributes. Do you see that? Oh, so up there, you think?
Do you see a different spot that it would go?
I don't know. What does it mean by attributes?
Like, aren't these the attributes title, rating, description?
Yeah, I would think so. So yeah, I guess just comma and then colon director. Yeah, exactly.
Okay. Save that.
Okay. So that looks good to me. I don't know how to really test this worked, but I think it did.
Oh yeah, that makes sense because it says add it to def movies params, which is where we just added it. Okay.
Oh, I didn't even notice that. Perfect. Okay. So I think that's fine. All right, part 2. It's long. All right.
Okay. So should we?
Okay, so it says we should go one cucumber step at a time and use RSpec to make the appropriate controller model specs. Okay. The cucumber tests in Cloud9.
Do you know what those would be under?
Yeah, it'd be under features. Stuff definitely.
Oh yeah, there we go. What?
Oh wait, damn it, that's not it. I don't think, at least. Those are the ones that are always generated.
Okay.
Hold on. Oh, it says they've provided 3 cucumber scenarios, and there's like a link. But I don't know if we're supposed to put this in a file on our own. Like if you go to the...
Oh, click on this one. Wait, hold
on.
Oh.
3 cucumber scenarios. Yeah. So just copy it, which seems kind of weird to me.
So should I just copy these 3?
Yeah, I guess so.
What the hell's going on there? Shit. Okay. Okay, so why is this going to do this to me? This is strange that it's in this random thing.
Yeah, right?
Yeah. Okay, so do we create a file?
I don't know. That's why I'm kind of confused.
I get so confused with all these folders and all these files. Like, I don't know where anything's supposed to go.
Okay. Yeah, I guess we should make a file.
Okay, so
Name it movie_steps.rb because that's what we did in the last project.
all right, so save. I'm gonna save as. You said movies_steps.rb.
Yeah, I guess so.
And where would I save it though?
In that step definitions folder.
In that step definitions folder. What is that
Or
under?
maybe not. Wait, where do the dot feature files go? Actually, I think. Hold on, let me think for a second. Oh, wait. Go to features under support. Hold on, don't save this.
Support.
Yeah, wait. Cancel out of this.
Okay.
And then go to it like on there.
Okay. Features, support. Okay.
And then, so see if any of those are the things we're doing.
Okay.
I don't know which of these is the one.
Like you.
Definitely not that one.
No.
No, check the next one. No.
You should delete this file. What?
Oh, I don't know. Just ignore that.
Okay. That's not it.
Yeah. Alright, must be the last one. Damn it. It's not the last.
Should we save it into the support file?
Yeah. Well, I don't know. It should definitely be under that folder.
Well, because up here when it said the cucumber set up the cucumber directories under features. So
Yeah.
like it should be. Wait, what's this? Oh, is this it?
That
No.
they always do it.
Oh, this is something else. Okay. So should it be just in features, you think? Because you see here on the like this step 4.
Yeah.
It's cucumber directories under features.
I don't think so.
No. Yeah.
I don't know. I'm so confused right now. Maybe. But yeah, honestly, just do it under the feature folder.
Okay.
I don't know.
And I'll save this for movie steps.
No, I don't know. It has to be a dot feature file. Did they tell us anything? Why didn't they tell us anything? Maybe. Well, it's a search for movies by director, so maybe like I don't know, like search or something.
It should be like that.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. And it should go in the. Why didn't it just know where it was? Weird.
Yeah, that's weird. Yeah, just I guess in the top level feature folder.
Okay, just in there.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. All right. So now, what is it telling us to actually do? So the first one, I have to modify existing views and create a new step definition, and possibly add a line or two to feature support paths.rb. Okay. So we have to use RSpec. So can you open up the features file we just made? What is the first one? So there's 3 scenarios. So what's the first scenario? Add director.
As a movie buff.
No, down there where scenarios.
Oh, add a director to existing movie.
So when I go to the edit page for Alien and I fill in director, and I press update, then the director should be okay. So we should probably find the edit page because I assume we'll have to.
Okay.
Yeah, because it says we need to do a RESTful route for find similar movies.
So would that be like the movies controller, or would that be?
Well, if we're going to the edit page, that would be a view,
It would. Okay.
but I'm not really sure.
Oh, this edit one here.
Oh, yeah. So I should keep the feature.
Oh, see how they have all these like
Um,
movie rating, movie title. I think we can just probably make another one, right? That adds director.
yeah.
So probably be like this title one, right?
Yeah, probably. I think so.
Okay. Label movie director. This would be director, right? With it.
Yeah, exactly. And then I think it would stay movie.
Oh yeah, my bad.
All of those are movie.
Yeah.
And then that would be director instead of title.
Like that, right?
That makes sense to me.
Yeah. Okay. So.
Yeah, I don't know how to know if we're doing anything right.
All right. Well, let's just assume that's right for now.
Yeah. Well, let's look at what it says.
Okay.
So it says we're going to modify existing views. I'm assuming that's what we just did. It says we'll create a new step definition and maybe add a line or two to feature support. So then on the first bullet, it says a RESTful route for find similar movies. But where?
Fine. Wait, what? That's what route for find some movies.
Asking us to do. Asking us to edit something.
Wait, say that again?
Where is this even at something? Like,
Yep. I don't know where we're supposed to find this.
me neither.
Find similar movies? Is that like supposed to be there already?
Wait, no, we're not the first one, I don't think.
Wait, say that one more time?
We didn't do that yet.
This here.
Oh, yeah, sorry. Yeah, I don't know. I literally have no idea what's going on. So it says we'll have to create a new step definition. So where do step definitions go again? That's under features.
I'm not sure.
Yeah, that's under features.
Okay, yes, step definitions.
So maybe we do need a movie steps.rb file.
Oh, I get what you're saying.
Yeah. Oh, so yeah, I think we have to actually write the step definitions now
Inside
for the scenarios.
this web steps RB.
No, I think we have to make a new one, movie steps.rb, like how we did in the last cucumber homework.
Okay. Okay, and this should be saved in here, step definitions.
Yeah.
Why is it not? Oops. Okay.
So if you go to the feature file made, we have to, for given the following movies exist, and the first scenario,
Wait, I'm sorry. Say that one more time.
like the dot feature file we made.
This one.
Yeah. So we're gonna have to write like a step definition, I think, for like the top part, like the given the following movies exist,
Oh,
and
okay.
then
Similar to like these given.
yeah.
Okay.
We might have done this in the actual like last cucumber one, like that exact one. So I'm gonna try to pull that up. Yeah, we did. So I'm gonna paste that to you in Slack.
Okay. Should I be
And you
like?
could just
Should I share my Cloud9 with you? Would that be easier?
oh, yeah, actually. I didn't even think of that.
So wait, say your email again.
You could just do it in Slack. Just paste it there. Oh, it does it like that. Sorry, KBOSCAR, the number 1 at Binghamton.
Okay, I think you should get it.
Okay, it's loading. Yeah, we did this in our last one. So I'll
Yeah.
paste that. And then it said for this, we had to add, get the dot feature file.
Wait, you're cutting in and out.
Hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay, so if you open the file that we made before,
Oh, this one.
and then the first, it seems like what?
This file.
Yeah, that one. So, like the scenario 1, when I go to the edit page and I fill in this and I press that, those are already in web steps. But I think it's saying we have to write a new step of alien should be Ridley Scott.
In web steps.
We should write it in movie steps.
Okay.
Steps we need.
Okay.
So, my
When I go to edit.
okay, so
Okay, so like this can be, like that can go in there.
if you look in movie steps.org, leave everything steps and web steps. What I'm saying is for a cucumber scenario, it looks at the .rb files. So if one exists, it's going to use
Yeah.
dot feature file, like it's steps for those ones. But that last step in the dot feature file for scenario 1, that's something that doesn't exist.
I'm not exactly sure what you're just saying.
Okay, so go to the dot feature file.
This one?
Yes. All right, you see the first scenario.
Yeah, this here.
So the first 3 steps of that are
Yeah.
things that already exist.
They're in the
Web
web
steps.
steps?
So
Okay.
we don't have to do anything for that. But that last step, then the director of Alien should be written, does not exist. So I'm saying we have to write that.
Inside the web steps.
Inside movie steps, you don't mess with web steps because it's like an auto-generated file.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Then I first thing this.
Yeah.
That was from our last project. So
Okay.
we just have to write the thing for the director existing.
Okay.
So can you keep the dot feature file?
Yes.
Because I need to like look at that as
so you can write it. I get it.
like okay. So then the director of, and then it should be like I'm really bad at regexes.
I feel like it should be like a star operator or something, right?
Something like that.
Or
is it in quotes, Alien?
Alien is in quotes.
Okay, so we definitely need quotes so that it recognizes them. And then like, oh, you see those things?
Which ones?
Wait, pause, wherever, don't move. Like the quotes parentheses stuff.
Yeah.
Can you copy that? I think that's what it would be.
You want one of these guys?
Yeah, one of those guys.
And put it in the movie steps?
Yeah, right after the director of.
Like that? And
Yeah,
then
exactly.
It should be.
Yeah. You want to type it?
Should it be
and then
another?
I think like another one, right? Because then it's.
I think $sign.
Yeah, so it indicates the end of the line.
Backslash.
Yeah, so that whole last thing. Yeah, perfect. It'd be like a do block. So like do. Okay. And then the parameters would probably be the movie title and the director's name.
So title.
Yeah.
A name.
Yeah. And then so write an N just so we don't forget it.
Okay.
And then inside it, I don't know what to do. So let's think.
Should it be?
Says, what?
Should it be like? See how it says should be Ridley Scott?
Yeah.
Should it be like? Hold on.
Okay.
So should it be like? Is there a way we're supposed to check that it's like a certain thing? Check, uncheck, choose.
No,
Like,
I mean, yeah.
Should it be like name is equal to Ridley Scott or no? Like that's not the correct way to.
It might be, but like I don't know how to reference the thing.
This isn't really an example in this web steps that like.
Well, I don't think it would come from web steps, or else we would have just used that.
Wait, can you see my screen?
Yeah.
See how it has like then I should not see do text like.
Yeah. Wait. Actually, do you see inside that like if page responds to should? Well, we're using should, so maybe it has to be something like that.
Also, like the one above it, I should see.
Yeah, actually copy and paste like the insides of one of those. I feel like that's what we're
take
doing
this
because
whole
it
thing
says
so we
should.
can look at it.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Okay. So I think ours would be like if page.respond to should, then we should do like page should have, and not XPath because that's not what we need. Let me look at web steps again. Those were like towards the bottom, right?
these were lines 113 through 121.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so so the next one, the one above that in web steps says page should have content. So maybe that's what we're supposed to use. Because I don't think we're using an XPath.
Okay. Okay, so
then like inside of our block, we do like if you should. You can probably just copy paste it.
okay.
Like whatever you just, yeah. And I think instead of have content text, we would do like 2 lines, like have content title and have content name.
Well, I'm wondering, we're assuming that the title exists, right? Because what, like,
Yeah, because if you look above, it says given the following movies exist.
yeah, like aliens there. So should it just be like a name field and not title? Should have content name.
But I feel like they have to like correspond to each other.
Well, I think
Like because like the name Ridley Scott like has to, like, you see how Ridley Scott also directed Blade Runner? We don't want it to like associate it with Blade Runner. We want it to associate with Alien.
Okay, yeah, great point. Okay, yeah.
And then I think for assert, do the same thing.
Okay. Okay, does that look right?
Yeah, that looks good to me.
Okay, looks good to me. Is there a reason that like part of this is green and part isn't? Should we be worried about that?
Probably shouldn't be green. It might be quotes aren't closed somewhere.
Yeah, because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, they're sick. Well, the ones inside the brackets, I don't think matter, do they?
Like I don't exactly follow like these regular.
Oh, on those ones it's green too, right?
Yeah, and some of them they're like some of them they're green. Different parts are green.
I don't think it matters then. I think we're fine.
Okay.
So what else did it say to do for this?
Well, is the first part done? The first bullet?
I have no idea. It is.
Not really sure.
Yeah, what? It says you probably won't test this directly in RSpec, but a line in Cucumber RSpec will fail if this is not correct. We haven't even done anything with RSpec. That's probably bad, right?
I'm not really sure. Well, we ran it in the beginning and there was just nothing to run, right?
Yeah, try running it now, see what happens.
Okay. I don't know why it's. This is gonna be so fucking annoying. Okay, RSpec. I don't know why my.
It's because we're in collaborative mode. Should I leave and then?
No, I mean it said 0 examples, 0 failures when I ran. Should I run Cucumber?
Yeah, try it.
I'm not really sure what it's saying.
Yeah, I'll close out of it, and then you could scroll up. We could just program on yours.
Okay.
Okay. It should like reload in a second. Maybe you have to refresh.
Okay. I'm gonna reload it.
Okay.
Movie steps RB. Oh, what the fuck?
Just hit undo. Hit undo.
No way.
No, just go to file or edit undo. No, edit. Okay. Okay, it's fine. Let's not forget. I'm going to forget. Okay. Fuck.
That sucks.
Wait, maybe if I don't move anything. Maybe if I reopen it, it'll be there.
Okay.
It's loading. Oh, that's really annoying. Give me a second. So this is what we had for that. And then record of I wonder why that happened.
Yeah. Well, I think it wasn't saved, and then I refreshed it, and then it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. That's really fucked. Okay, does that look like what we have?
Yeah, that looks exactly right.
Okay. So I'm gonna get out of. I saved it. I'm gonna pop out so that you could run the test and we could scroll up.
Okay. Should I refresh it, you think? Let me just try.
Oh no. Does it let you scroll up in your thing right now?
Yeah, I'll just run it.
Okay, so don't bother refreshing it. You're fine.
I'm gonna run the cucumber.
Okay. What is that? What the hell? What does that even mean?
What? Oh, feature search by director RB. Syntax error feature search for movies by director.
Okay.
Search. What's the problem here? Warning, possible. Should this not be an RB file? Did I name it wrong or something?
Wait, this is an RB file?
Yeah.
This should be a dot feature file.
Dot feature.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's probably what it is.
Okay.
Okay, cucumber. Okay. So I think that's good, right? They're running.
Yeah. Let's see if our director one is working.
Given the following movies, when I go to the edit.
Oh, what's it saying is wrong with that? Oh, okay, so that's the mapping thing, I think.
Okay. When I go to the edit page for Alien, which is this, right?
Yeah. But it's saying it has no mapping from the edit page. So you remember that weird thing in that first bullet point we didn't understand?
Oh.
I think that's that.
Wait, but I thought that's why. Where?
It says we need a restful route for find similar movies. So we have to go to routes.rb.
Routes.rb. Do you know where that is?
I have no idea. Oh, yeah, hold on. It's in config. Yeah, it's in config.
Okay, routes.rb.
Yeah. So we have to do the get similar movie titles thing that it was saying. I don't really know how to do that, but okay, so what is it? It gave us like a hint, right?
In that bullet.
Yeah.
Match
Use the
syntax?
match syntax.
What?
I'll check the textbook because it says section 4.1.
Okay.
Okay. Does it say what page? Good.
It's in section 4.1.
Yeah, but it's like kind of long.
Non-resource based routes in section 4.1.
I don't see anything about that. Oh, I see it. Okay. The shortcut resources movies creates restful routes for CRUD, but any non-trivial will have many additional controller actions. Figure 4.2. Okay, so what is it? What are we exactly trying to do? So I think we have to use get because all of these examples use get.
Okay.
So type under like that root line, type
Okay.
get, and then what are we doing? Use the match syntax. Where's that? Hold on 1 second. Okay, so I think, judging by the textbook, I think we have to do get and then in single quotes, similar underscore movies slash colon title, and then outside of the quotes you do hold on. Okay, I think you do like a rocket. The equals, yeah. And then I think you do in single quotes movies and then hashtag search because they do like photo controllers hashtag look, but I don't really know. And then what was that as thing they were talking about? Because that's not in the textbook.
Oh,
You
can also use the
use
key.
as. Okay. Oh, okay. So it just wants us to specify the name with that. So I think you would just do as :
Outside of this?
and then yeah. And then search director paths with a colon in front.
Search.
Or maybe not director's path. What did they want us to do? Search similar movies? Oh, yeah. So I guess search similar movies. I don't know why they said IE search director's path.
Wait, why do we need this as thing?
I don't know. It says you could use as.
You're looking
But
at
the as, the colon goes before the as. Sorry.
Okay. Yeah, but do you think this
Oh,
as?
no, it doesn't. I don't know.
I think what they're saying with the as is like I think this just might be like whatever field you are using. Like you can also use the key blank to specify a name.
Oh, you don't think it means like in the actual file?
Yeah, like I think it's you just fill in as with whatever.
Oh,
I don't know. It's
try looking up the as syntax on somewhere. I'm looking it up too.
get. What is this complaining about?
It's because you're not supposed to have that last part without as.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
So it's supposed to be like this.
No, I think there has to be a comma before the as.
Before it?
Yeah. Try putting the colon after as instead of in front.
Oh, okay.
I don't know how to know if this is right.
I have no idea.
I literally don't know how we're testing any of this. Like, I'm so beyond confused.
Should I save this and then run the cucumber again and see if it changed anything?
Yeah, I guess so. I don't think that's what. Oh yeah, try it. I don't fucking
Because it
know.
might like allow the next step to pass or something. Can't find mapping from the edit page for alien to a path.
Still. Oh, maybe this should be in paths.rb.
Oh yeah, maybe.
Wait, let me think for a second. It told us that we are going to modify an existing view, create a new step definition, and add a line or two to paths.rb. Oh, okay. So yeah.
Should I get rid of it?
I don't know. Just comment it for now.
Okay.
Okay, so go to paths.rb. Do you know where that is?
Yeah, I got it up right now.
Oh, features. Okay. So
This one.
where would it go? Okay, so go down a little.
Yep.
Keep going.
That's like the end of the file there.
Oh,
There's nothing below it.
so let's go back to the top.
Okay. Oh, add more mappings here. Okay, so
So we
Okay.
need when
the home page. Here's an example that pulls values out of it. When this example is not helpful. Page. What the fuck?
So I think we just need to do like a when thing, like how is set up there.
So it's like,
So like,
when
well, I don't think we need the home page. Is that ours? Did you just type that, or that was there?
that was there.
I think that's supposed to be there.
Okay.
Um.
Oh, what would page name be in this scenario? When I go to edit page, so
Oh, so maybe we need like when the edit page.
when
And then like a slot, yeah, that stuff. And then
edit
yeah,
page,
the edit page for, and then this would be like a regex. So this would be like the same thing we had before. So like quote parentheses.
I think it's like this.
I think you need
Oh, parenthesis, not bracket, right?
no, I think you need a bracket inside the parenthesis. I think it's like parenthesis bracket, then the arrow quote bracket.
Oh,
I'll just pull it up from that last file.
star.
Yeah.
Okay.
Should it be star or plus? I guess it doesn't matter.
Click that.
Um,
Oh, there's another bracket. Oh, I'm just gonna copy this.
copy
It's
it.
stupid. Okay. When edit page for blank, I think there should be a $sign.
Yeah, definitely.
Blank.